Hello and welcome to our channel. Here we'll learn about how to install a Windows server in virtual machine. Let's go to the Google and search for the ISO file for Windows Server 2019. You will find you can select just language over here. I'm going to select the English and I am selecting 64-bit edition because my computer is 64-bit processor, so I'll go and right click my PC and then go to the properties, and there you'll be able to see what system type it is. So now let's go and download the ISO file for the 64-bit processor, and it's downloading and it might take a few minutes, so I'll be back in a minute. Now here I have already downloaded the ISO file for the Windows Server 2019. That's my ISO file, and I'll go to the virtual machine. I'll create a new virtual machine. I'll to the recommended one, go with I'll install the operating system later on, and then select Microsoft Windows and Windows Server 2019 and go next. Write your name, anything you want, and I'm going to allocate 40 GB and do as a single file. And now I'm going to customize the hardware. Here I'm going to make 2 GB into 4 GB memory and 4 GB processor, and I'm going to select the ISO image file. You can select anything, but I'm going to select the ISO image file because we have already downloaded it. And if you go to the net, I'm going to select as a bridge so that I can replicate my computer's internet over there, and then that's it. Let's go and close it and then finish this. Then you'll be able to see the Windows Server installation over here. When you power on the virtual machine, you'll start installing the ISO file. Now Windows setup, into it, and it will start loading the ISO file. You now select the language and the country that you are into. So I'm already in Australia, so I'm going to select the Australia so that I can choose the right time format. Now installing, it might take few minutes for you. So after you get it into, I highly prefer you to select the desktop experience, because if you go to the another experience, it will be with the CMD. So desktop experience is a easier one. So select the desktop experience. I accept, and I'll costume the installation. That's only one here space that I have allocated as a 40 GB, so I'm going to select that, and now it will start installing all the requirement for this computer, for this virtual machine. Once we are completed with all the installation of update features, then we'll be able to create a password. Choose any password you want, and now click Ctrl Delete and then enter the password, and you are into the Windows Server 2019 virtual machine. You're inside it now, and that is how we install the Windows server. And here you'll be able to do lots of things from the Windows Server. Now I'm ending the video for now, but in the next video I'll be able to show you how to create a domain, create operational unit, create user, and everything. Thank you for watching.